Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Juice and Foods. Hope you guys are all enjoying your summertime. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so that you're the first to know anytime I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, thanks so much for tuning in. I wouldn't be able to do this all without you guys. So today we're going to be making cream of coconut. There it is. You can get it at your grocery store or supermarket. I decided to make mine today. Now, cream of coconut should not be confused with coconut cream. Cream of coconut is actually sweetened coconut cream and it has a thick syrupy texture. That's according to Google. Cream of coconut is to coconut milk what condensed milk is to regular milk. And if you recall, some time ago I did make condensed milk on this channel. I'll leave the link in the description. So this is very simple. All you need are canned coconut milk and sugar. Now, I would recommend you use canned coconut milk instead of fresh coconut milk because I did try it with fresh coconut milk and I did get cream of coconut. However, I also got some oil and I couldn't separate the oil from the cream of coconut. So you would rather use canned coconut milk for this recipe. So, cream of coconut is typically used in mixed drinks and ice creams. And stay tuned, I'm going to be uploading some summer beach drinks, which I'm sure you guys would love. And I did use cream of coconut in one of the recipes